Hey, today we have a snap-on number 71M USA. It's an old snap-on. This one's from the early 50s. But from what I hear was that 71M was a military contract. I think it ran, from what I read, it ran into the 60s. This one is 1952. You see the date code. You see the date code there. It's like a weird 2 that corresponds to 52. Has a hole at the end of the handle. There's the patent number. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. Just push it out. And here comes the retention plate. Nice and thick, pretty beefy. I think Snap-on, a lot of the plates are pretty thick. And here we have the gear. Just look at the gear. Very sharp teeth on this. Only 20 teeth on this gear. Very coarse. There you see the ball detent. And how they peened it in. It's not like the solid round peen. This one looks like it has little dents in it. Okay. This is the inside of the housing. It has like the bat wing paw, just one tooth. And it has this ring around the opening here for the gear, where it engages the gear in the back. I think that's a detachable ring, but I don't feel like pounding it out. And it's probably a little rusted. If I pound it out, I might not be able to get it back in snug. But there is that ring there. You can see a little bit better there. I've seen this before in Snap-ons. This is how the pawl engages the gear. Just one tooth, but something this rough, this coarse, I mean, It has like massive teeth on it. So I don't think it'll be slipping pretty easily. And to put it back together, it's real simple. Oh, and there is, the pole is it switches with a ball bearing down here with a spring underneath the ball bearing. I don't feel like peeing out the switch. It looks pretty fragile, something this old. I'm afraid I might break, and then they don't make switches for this anymore, I heard. So I'll be SOL. Just put the plate back on. Take your screws. Screw them back in. Just kind of finger tight. I don't like to go overboard on these screws, these machine screws. I don't want to go too tight and you might strip them out. So there we have it. It's the Snap-on number 71M. USA 1952. If you like these videos, please give me a like and do me a favor and consider subscribing. It would help me out a lot. Okay, until next time, take it easy. Bye.